Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find stores in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, the easiest way to find stores is down below in your screen. You can see there the second option, which is stores. And here you can basically just find stores, for example groceries by Bolt, and you can see here the all stores like Ocean, Julius Mall, Krama, Bolt Market, and all the others. You can check them out, you can see their rating and everything else about them if you press on one of these stores. You can see also their special offers and what they sell and everything basically about them. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.